Hello and welcome to GEOSPATIAL, and today we're going to look at how to convert BIM file to GIS data in ArcGIS Pro, and I will quickly get into that. So once you want to do that, we will need a geoprocessing tool, and you'll go to View and then you click on this geoprocessing tool here, or you will go to Analysis. You also see geoprocessing tool. So either of this, it will come up here, and then you will search for this tool here called BIM File to Geodatabase. So you click on it, and then you will need to, for parameters, you will need to import a BIM File Workspace. This accepts both an IFC or the Revit file itself. So on my folder here, I have the IFC file and I also have the Revit file. So either of them will work on this. So I'm going to import the IFC. I'm going to click on OK. Now, remember I said in my previous videos that ArcGIS Pro is a project-based software. Now you see that immediately I input the workspace here, you will see that an output geodatabase has already been created, and this comes from the project which we are working on. If you see MSC, so the geodatabase created as well as an MSC. All right. So from here we need to input the spatial reference. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to give it a reference system, a coordinate system. So once that is done, I'm going to click on Run, and it's going to take a while, so I'm just going to come back when it's done. So it has finished processing, so I'm just going to go back to Catalog, and I'm going to Folder, and I'll just go to the project file which we have as. So then I'm going to open the geodatabase. Now, because of the way it created the geodatabase from the project I created, now from the geodatabase, anything added onto it will be a future dataset, sorry. So from future dataset, what you will get next will be the future classes. All right, so we have this number of future classes. So what we need to do next is to right click on this, and we're going to add that's on the future dataset, and then add to current map. So it has been added, so I'm just going to right click on this, and I'm going to zoom to layer, and then we should see it here. Now that is what we have on this. Alright, so this is how you can import a Revit model into ArcGIS Pro. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, where we're going to look at how to georeference this Revit model in ArcGIS Pro. Stay tuned. See you.